the arrival of Bitcoin ETFs. Will the SEC give the green light? Imagine a world where investing in Bitcoin is as easy as buying shares of a company on the stock market. Well, that world might be closer than you think. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is currently considering the approval of spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds. But will they give the green light? According to Sam Enzer, a partner at law firm Cahill, Gordon & Reinl, there is a strong possibility that the SEC will approve a number of applications for spot crisis in our professions. Also, Enzer believes that the approval is likely to happen due to the SEC's loss to Grayscale in the GBTC spot ETF lawsuit. They ruled that the SEC movement by a second with areas of SEC and separate areas of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust in order to maintain areas interesting more times. Enzer argues that the involvement of mainstream financial institutions such as BlackRock, Fidelity, Galaxy Digital, VanEck, and Skybridge in the ETF applications is a positive sign. These institutions are considered reliable and competent, which strengthens the case for approval. Meetings between these companies and SEC officials have been ongoing, with discussions centered around the SEC's preference for the cash creates redemption model over the in-kind model. The significance of SEC meetings during the holiday week. One interesting development is the recent meetings held by the SEC during the holiday week. Enzer suggests that the Commission's decision to hold meetings related to redemption models during this time indicates their seriousness about approving the spot ETFs. Companies like BlackRock, Fidelity, Franklin Templeton, and Grayscale have all engaged in discussions with SEC officials, further fueled speculation about the imminent approval. And there's a lot of kids in the last steps towards approval. According to Bloomberg Intelligence analyst Eric Balchunas, the ETF filers are currently in the process of securing signed agreements with authorized participants. This is seen as the final step of a move in time towards approval. The SEC is reportedly in favor of granting approval if the applicants can demonstrate clear communication regarding the cash creates model and provide the necessary signed agreements. With the potential approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs, investing in Bitcoin could become more accessible and mainstream. Investors would have the opportunity to gain exposure to Bitcoin's price movements without directly owning the cryptocurrency itself. This development could have significant implications for the cryptocurrency market and the broader financial industry. And now for a short joke about Bitcoin. Why did the Bitcoin go to therapy? Because he had too many ups and downs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.